31 Sydney Martin is live outside the courthouse after learning more about the delay. Sydney.
Dan, presiding Judge Ruth Ann Hall told me about half of those 8 capital murder cases the state was seeking the death penalty for and still are. She told me with all cases, but especially capital murder cases, they don't want to have a mistrial and have to retry them again because of how much work that goes into them.
A capital case is very stressful for the lawyers, for the families, the defendant, the judge. It's a very stressful event, and some of the testimony can be very difficult to hear.
Madison County presiding Judge Ruth Ann Hall told me the decision to postpone capital murder cases until 2021 wasn't an easy one, but something that the judges decided was necessary because of safety concerns with coronavirus. Hall explained that because of all the work that goes into a capital murder case, it's important to make sure there's not a mistrial, but they could run into that risk if the jury, attorneys, defendant, or judge in a case gets sick.
You certainly don't want to have a family or a defendant to go through that multiple times.
Hall told me with social distancing practices in place in courtrooms, there's not space for people who are usually there during capital cases, like the victims or suspect's family or members of the public. But she said doing the entire trial virtually is not something that she feels comfortable with. She said once the cases are heard, the changes will make them different than the past.
We will have technology available to where they will be able to view the court proceedings in another area, whether that's another courtroom, another room, but it will be remote access.
Now, Judge Hall told me she expects for these trials to take longer than usual. She said jury selection alone could take longer than a week because they can't bring 100 potential jurors into the courthouse at once because of safety and social distancing measures that need to take place. Live in Huntsville, Sydney Martin, Way 31 News.